Well, hello Roblox developers. Today we're going to be adding scripts. What are scripts? It allows you to interact with parts in your game by writing Lua code. Let me show you how. Step 1, you need to add a part to your game and you need to find that part inside of the workspace. Once you've found it, click the little plus symbol to add a script. Roblox gives us a little bit of Lua script right here, the print hello world. In order to see this script run, we'll need to output it to the console. So let's go to View and then select this little symbol, Output. You should see the output console show up on the bottom of your screen. Then when you run the game or play the game, you should see the words Hello World at the bottom. Okay, the second thing you always do is figure out where is the script and what part is it going to affect. Okay, this script right now is a child of the part. You see that? It's kind of indented and below it. Therefore, the part is its parent. So let's create a variable to capture this part. So I'm going to make a variable and I'm going to call it part. You can call it anything you'd like, but I'm just going to call it part. And I'm going to set it equal to the script's parent. Now just remember, I've told this script that this part is its parent, but if I move the script somewhere else, it will have a different parent. So it's pretty cool that you could write a script that can be used somewhere else. Okay, so the whole purpose of creating this variable part is so that we could add an event to that part. I'm going to add the touched event. I'm going to check to see if it's touched, and if it is, we're going to connect a function to it. And I'm going to call that function do something. Now in Roblox, there's an event called touched and there's a connect function, but there's nothing called do something. I made that up, but that's okay because I can define it up here by writing my own function. And guess what it's going to be called? Do something. Then once I've done the function symbols, I just hit return and then we'll say end right here. And guess what? It's already kind of guessing. It's code hinting. Well, what do you want to do? Sure, I'll hit click tab. That's what I'm going to do. This do something function, it just prints hello world. That's kind of silly. I already have hello world down there. So I'm going to say, I did something. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this game and see if it works. And guess what? In the console, it already says I did something, but I haven't touched it yet. Okay, what is wrong with our script? Oh, I see. The part is actually touching the base plate right now. It's not even waiting for the character to touch it. So we'll need to make one change. Let's take this part and let's lift it off the ground and let's anchor it so it's not touching the base plate. It's not touching anything. So until we touch it, it actually won't do anything. So let's run it now. And we don't see anything in the console. Let's run over and now let's touch it. Yes, it says I did something. So there you go. That is how you write a script. First, you add a script. Then you figure out what part are you trying to affect in that. And in this case, we're trying to affect the parent of that script, which we're going to call part. Then down here, you say, okay, what event are we going to do? We want to do the touched event. And then you connect a function which is going to do something. In this case, all it does is print, I did something. Big whoop-de-doo. Anyways, this is the foundation for scripting in Roblox. So remember it, practice it, and use this as like a starter template every time you write a script. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you build.